fully automatic multifunctional filling and capping machine. Product name. Fully automatic multifunctional filling and capping machine can fill 25L 200L ton barrels. Application range. The equipment is suitable for chemical, petrochemical, food raw materials, pharmaceutical and other industries. Basic parameters. Power supply DC 220V 5060HZ 0.2 kW air source 0.5-0.7 par. Filling volume 100-1200 kg. Graduation value 0.1 kg. Filling capacity 25L 120-180 barrels H, 200L 45-60 barrels H, IBC ton barrel 6-10 barrels H. Filling accuracy less than or equal to 0.1% FS. Filling gun material SUS 30 for SUS 316 PTFE optional. Explosion proof grade X11 BT4 optional. Product features. Using visual port search, the equipment is compatible with 25L, 200L, including pallets, IBC ton barrels, automatic positioning of barrel mouth, and opening and closing lids for filling. This machine has the function of no filling without barrels, and no filling without the filling head inserted into the barrel mouth, which can effectively avoid material waste and pollution of the surrounding environment. This machine has two lines, one for filling 25L barrels, and one for filling 200L, including pallets and IBC barrels. System features. English display, 7-inch full Chinese color LCD screen, full Chinese full-style guided operation. Intelligent efficiency, filling is prohibited if there is no barrel on the scale, differential pressure zero time difference barrel collision protection, automatic peeling, intelligent anti-fall,